Greetings, Dr. Max McLeod here, the Nutrition Ninja Doc. Today I want to talk to you about carbon-60. I want you to understand why this really tiny molecule discovered in space may revolutionize the entire fields of health, nutrition, and medicine. This is going to be a really quick intro, and then there's a longer video that you can go to, and I'd suggest that you do if you have any interest in this. C60 was discovered in 1985 by some chemists that were actually looking in space. They weren't in space, but they were looking in space for some new novel molecules. That's what they do. And they came across something that they thought was there, and ultimately in 1980, this was in the 80s, and in 85 they actually confirmed that it was in fact there and were able to duplicate it in the lab. This led to a whole series of discoveries of different what are called allotypes, or different forms of carbon. Carbon-60 was one of those. They actually won the Nobel Prize in chemistry for this in 1996. It stimulated all kinds of research and controversies, and a lot of the controversy was a result of a toxicity study that was published in 2012. It was performed at the University of Paris. And as with anything new like this, they're going to try to figure out is there a problem with the substance? Is there anything negative, toxic with it? So they do what they call an LD50 study. It's a toxicity study. And basically what they do is they try to kill rats with the substance. So they overdose rats with C60 dissolved in or suspended in olive oil. Not only did it not cause any diseases or cancer or kill them prematurely, the rats lived twice as long as any lab rat or any rat known in history. So that gives you a little insight into how interesting this molecule is or could become in those fields of medicine, nutrition, health in general. Some of the research then told us why this might be. Mainly it appears to be a super antioxidant and probably a super detoxifier. And those two things can account for all the benefits that were demonstrated. And that's it. That's just a little bit of a teaser. I want you to learn more about it. I've been fascinated by this subject now for several months, delved into it very deeply, looked at everything and researched everything I could within reason in my spare time. And literally, we are now in production with our own version of C60 in pumpkin seed oil, because I think that is the superior delivery method for it. So I hope you watch the longer video. I guess I'm not sure, it's probably about 14-15 minutes, but it goes into greater depth about C60, carbon-60, what it is, what it looks like, and why it might do what it does. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the longer video.